All right, for demonstration purposes, we specifically didn't edge or cut the grass in about 3 weeks, just so we could test out the new blades. And we're gonna test it on the McLean edger. This is the new 9-inch blade we got, and we're gonna see how effective it is. Alright, I think it's done a fairly good job. I ran it a little close to the edge of the sidewalk, scraping the concrete a lot, but the steel quality is very impressive, and it looks like everything is copacetic. All right, we're gonna do another take from the other side. All right, here's a sample of what it sort of looks like. I mean, it's not super clean, but it's because, I'm lazy. But the knife, the edger blade, they worked out really, really well. They're excellent quality. There's very little erosion, steel erosion, even after, cutting concrete with it, pretty much. And yeah, so if you're in need of an edger blade, highly recommend picking one up from the sponsor. All right, I hope this helps you. Thank you for watching.